Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Flashbots for MEV-resistant transaction submission, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Flashbots for MEV-resistant transaction submission, start by setting up your environment. Ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Download and install the necessary dependencies using npm. Create a new directory for your project and navigate to it. Initialize your project with npm init. Install the Flashbots provider by running npm install save at flashbots/ethers provider bundle. Import the required packages in your JavaScript file. Set up the provider using ethers.js. Connect to the Ethereum network, either mainnet or testnet, depending on your need. Create a wallet instance with your private key. Load the Flashbots provider using your ethers.js provider. Prepare the transaction details, including the intended recipient and value. Check the gas price and ensure it is set competitively. Construct the transaction object with all necessary fields. Sign the transaction using your wallet instance. Send the transaction to the Flashbots bundle using the appropriate function. Wait for confirmation that the transaction has been included in a block. Monitor the status of your transaction to ensure it was successful. If necessary, adjust parameters and attempt to resubmit any failed transactions. Review the transaction history to confirm proper submission and execution. Explore additional features of the Flashbots provider to enhance your transaction strategy. Keep your dependencies and environment updated regularly for optimal performance. Ensure you stay informed about updates within the Flashbots community for best practices. With these steps, you can successfully enable Flashbots for MEV-resistant transaction submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.